Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which workbook is the master and which is the target. This clarifies one-way or two-way syncing. Once you've backed up both files, open them side by side and enable editing. Next, choose your method. Use Power Query for robust refreshes, formulas for lightweight links, or VBA for custom logic. Make sure column headers match or map them now so downstream steps run without mismatches or errors. Now you implement the chosen approach. If using Power Query, load both tables, perform a merge on the unique key, expand needed columns, and close and load, refresh updates bodies. With formulas, place XLOOKUP or index/match in the target, lock ranges with $ and copy down, wrap with IFR for blanks. If VBA, write a routine that compares keys, inserts, updates, or deletes rows and run it on test files until behavior matches expectations. You finish by validating results. Compare row counts, sample records, and create a checksum column to confirm identical outcomes. Once validated, automate. Set Power Query to refresh on open or schedule a script. Save macro-enabled workbook if using VBA. If things go wrong, first inspect the key column for duplicates, mismatched data types, or hidden spaces in formatting. Make sure filters aren't hiding rows. If errors persist, revert to your back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.